Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great Monday. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are looking at a potential double bottom pattern that could be forming on Euro USD in the daily time frame. So please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into this chart. We can see that we have had nothing but bearish price action since the 10th of February. So it has been a few months, right? Guys, do remember that this is the daily time frame. So things do take time to play out, right? We have had this descending trend line act as points of resistance various times throughout the last few months. But we can see that price has battled to break through this area, right? We can see it there. We can see it here, right? But all the time, this trend line has been acting as resistance, right? So it's only fair to say that once we break this trend line, we could be expecting some positive price action, right? However, we don't know if price is going to break this trend line. For all we know, we could come up to meet it again, right? Once we meet it, it could get rejected once more and we could carry on our journey further south. We don't know. That's why we have a certain list of rules and criteria that we wait for on a chart, and when something does play out, then we can enter it. So what is it that I'm looking for? Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Right, we can see that we have two bottoms on the daily time frame, right? Here's bottom number one, here's bottom number two. We have partial divergence across the MACD's MA lines, which are these little blue and yellow lines here, right? Because we have an equal low, right? Nearly even a lower low, left to right, yes? But we have our MA lines making higher lows, right? So therefore the sellers are weakening out. Okay, so that's one bit of confluence that we could use, right? We have our next zone up above, which is the middle point of the double bottom. Now, what we want to see is price impulsively break through this trend line finally, at the same time break through the next zone, right? We want to see price move upwards and close above this next zone with strong bullish volume to accompany it. If we see this, if we see price actually making a higher high, right? Higher than this middle zone, ideally even higher than this structure right over here, then and only then will I wait for a retrace into the next zone. Now, when I do see a retrace, I would want to see low volume because we would have already had strong bullish volume moving upwards to break through this next zone. So I would want to see the opposite on a retrace, which would confirm to me that we have started a new bull trend, right? So strong volume going up, low volume coming back. Once we have retreated and retraced into this next zone, right, then my position will open long and I will have two targets up above. Target number one being where this previous price structure is, which also nicely coincides with the second tap of this trend line, and target number two being top price structure, right? And this whole area, this zone, also coincides with the first tap of the descending trend line. So we do have things that line up, right, that coincidentally or non-coincidentally do look like they are playing out, right? However, we cannot do anything until this daily chart shows us it wants to break through this descending trend line as well as the next zone. So this is the daily, right? This is a great way for us to practice patience, for us to sit on our hands and do nothing, right? It looks like it could take a good few days, maybe even a week or two to see this thing move. However, we can say that it is possible in one day to see a gigantic candle just come out of nowhere, right? Close above the next zone, which would give us some confirmation that we can get into a position a little bit quicker. So guys, if you are not used to trading the daily time frame, it really is a great way to practice patience. There is no rush, right? Not getting into a position is actually a position itself, okay? Not risking money is actually making money, right? You are saving your capital, right? You are being very selective and making sure you only get into positions that match your rules and criteria. All right, guys. So, on that note, I am going to bid you all a very happy Monday. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date with us whenever we post new content. I've also posted the link to our website below in the description, as well as a link to our social medias. Check them out. Guys, thank you all once again for watching, and I will be seeing you all on the next one. See you later.